Here we have 5 tips how to be smarter in application writing. Share responsibilities from the start. Get all youth groups involved. Consult experienced people how to fill in the application or check plenty of online resources. Focus on describing all phases: preparation, exchange and follow-up. Always check if you answered all questions of every part. Make sure the exchange program is well linked to other parts of the application. Describe the program in detail. If you address the topic of tolerance through dance, explain how exactly you will do it. Don't expect one word to say it all. Ensure you have all the attachments and scanning done in time. It takes time to get the signatures on documents from partners, so start collecting them in advance. Things can go wrong with computers. Make sure you always have a copy of the latest application version safe.